Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you are about to replace the wheels on your rollerboard luggage bag, whether it is a Luggage Works bag or any other brand, in this video we are going to show you what went horribly wrong while we were trying to replace our wheels. Let's take a look. All right, in front of us is our luggage bag, and we are using the 7/16 socket and ratchet. And these are pretty rusty. We will start with the lower right-hand side. Take note of the actual grooves on the wheel. The grooves will always be on the inside portion of your luggage bag. The outer is smooth. All right, DIYers, check this out. Quick update. Yikes. Everything was so seized as I was removing this bolt, it continued to add outward pressure until this snapped. There was no saving it. This is so seized and in bad condition and very old. Happened on both sides, unfortunately. A lot of pieces fall out. As you can see here, a bunch of ball bearings, additional pieces that go inside here. In my opinion, not fixable. What we're going to do is head to the store and purchase a brand new bag. What I will do, whether it is helpful or not, is take the new bag and replace the new wheels with these wheels right here. And that video is scrolling above. Again, it may be helpful, it may not. Definitely check it out if you're interested. And again, catastrophic failure to the lower portion of the bag. Time to throw this away.